All right, guys, so today in class we talked about converting mixed numbers to improper fractions and then vice versa, where we converted improper fractions back to mixed numbers. We're going to use this as we divide decimals tomorrow and the next day because we're going to have to flip-flop between our two for our answers and for us to do our work. So first thing we need to know is when we're converting a mixed number to an improper fraction, first we're going to multiply the whole number times the denominator. Okay, then we're going to add the answer to the numerator. Okay, then we're going to put that answer over the original denominator. So for example, 4.5, we would take 2 times 4 plus 1, and that gives us a 9 as our new numerator, and we're going to stick that over our original denominator of a 2. Take a look at number 2, 6 2/3. Okay, we take our 3 times 6 plus 2, that gives us a 20 as our numerator, over our original denominator of 3. 20/3 is our improper fraction. Okay, so 3 2/5, we take our 5 times 3 plus 2, and we get 17 as our numerator, over our original denominator of 5. 17/5 is our improper fraction. Same thing for 4 3/4. We take 4 times 4 plus 3, so we have 16 plus 3, that gives us a 19 over our original denominator of 4. Okay, now vice versa, sometimes we're going to have to convert our improper fraction back to a mixed number. So for example, tomorrow when we're dividing fractions, we can't leave our number as an improper fraction. If we get an answer that's an improper fraction, we have to turn it into a mixed number for it to be our final answer. So to do that, the first thing we're going to do is divide the numerator by the denominator, and that's how we get our whole number. Then we're going to put the remainder over the original denominator, and we have to simplify the piece of the fraction if we can. Okay, so our answer is not fully done until we have simplified that answer. So for example, if we look at 7/3, we're going to divide 3 into 7, and that goes 2 whole times. Our remainder is a 1. We put it over our original denominator of 3, and we get that our mixed number is 2 1/3. We cannot simplify a third, so our final answer is 2 1/3. Okay. All right, 8/3, we're going to do the exact same thing. 3 goes into 8 2 whole times with 2 left over, so that becomes our numerator, over our original denominator of 3. 2/3 can't be simplified, so our final mixed number is 2 2/3. So for number 3, 3 goes into 9 3 whole times. Now there is absolutely nothing left over, so there's no fractional piece on this one. It's just the whole number 3. Okay, and then our last one, 5/11. We have 5 goes into 11 2 whole times. Our remainder is 1, so that becomes our numerator, and we put that over our original denominator of 5. So 2 1/5 is our mixed number.